All right, let's talk about that confusing PF code on your LG washer. You know the one. It just pops up, the machine stops, and you're left wondering what on earth is going on. Well, the good news is we're going to get this whole thing sorted out in just the next few minutes.
So, let me guess. You're probably standing in your laundry room right now, phone in hand, staring at your washer while it just blinks PF at you. Am I right? Well, if that's you, you have come to the perfect place for a super quick fix. Okay, first things first. Don't panic. Seriously, this is not a big, scary, expensive error code. In fact, it's not even really an error at all. You can put the phone down, you don't need to call a technician, and you definitely don't need a new machine. The fix for this is, well, you won't believe how simple it is. So, just how simple are we talking about? I'm talking one, a single step. That's it. For like 99% of you watching this, one little action is all it's going to take to make this code go away and get back to your laundry. You ready for it? Here it is. Just press the start/pause button. That's it. Just give that button one single push. The code should just disappear. And boom, your washer's ready to go again. Seriously, go try it right now. I'll wait. See? For pretty much all of you, problem solved. Okay, so now that the immediate panic is over, let's actually dig into what that PF code really means. Because once you understand it, you'll never freak out about it again. So PF just stands for power failure. That's all. It's basically your washer's little computer brain tapping you on the shoulder and saying, hey, just so you know, I was in the middle of a cycle and the power got cut. It's not broken, it's just logging what happened and needs you to say, okay, got it. And this is a really, really important point. This is just information. It's a notification, like a text message from your washer. It is not a mechanical error. It doesn't mean a part is broken or a motor is dead. Your machine isn't failing. It's actually succeeding. It's doing its job perfectly by telling you what happened. So what could have caused it? Well, think about it. It's almost always something totally outside the washer. Maybe the lights flickered for a second in your house. Maybe someone tripped over the power cord and yanked it out for a split second. Or, a breaker tripped in your fuse box and you had to flip it back. The washer is just letting you know its routine got messed up. All right, so we know that one little button press solves this for pretty much everybody. But what if you're in that unlucky 1%? Don't worry, I got you. Let's go over a full toolkit so you're ready for anything. Okay, method number one. This is the go-to, the standard procedure. Like we said, just press that start/pause button once. That tells the machine, I hear you, and the code should clear right out. Easy peasy. Now, what if for some weird reason that button doesn't do anything? No problem. On to method two, the good old power cycle. Just hit the main power button to turn the washer completely off. Give it a beat, then press power again to turn it back on. This little reboot almost always does the trick and wipes the slate clean. And if you've got a really stubborn case, it's time to bring out the big guns. Method three, the hard reset. This is where you physically unplug the washer from the wall outlet. And don't just plug it right back in. Let it sit there unplugged for a full 60 seconds. This lets all the little electronic bits inside completely reset. Then plug it back in. I guarantee you that PF code will be history. Okay, but what if this keeps happening? Like you're not just seeing this once in a blue moon, but every week or even every time you do laundry. If that's you, then we need to change our focus. The problem probably isn't the washer anymore. And this is the big takeaway here. If that PF code is a regular visitor, your washer is actually trying to help you. It's like a little canary in a coal mine, warning you that there's an issue with the electrical supply to the machine. The washer itself is fine. The problem is the power it's getting. So here's your troubleshooting checklist. First, the obvious stuff. Go check the plug. Is it pushed firmly into the wall socket? And super important, you should never ever run a big appliance like a washer on an extension cord. They draw too much power. Next, try plugging something else into that same outlet, like a lamp. Does it flicker? If you've checked all that and it's still happening, it might be time to call an electrician. It could be a loose wire in the wall, and that's a safety thing you'll want to get fixed. All right, let's wrap this up. I want to leave you with a totally new way of looking at this PF code. I know it seems like a pain, but honestly, it's actually a good thing. Why is it a good thing? Because when you see that code, it means the most important part of your washer, its computer brain, the control board, is working perfectly. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. It noticed a problem, it told you about it, and then it waited safely for you to give it the okay. It's a sign your machine is smart and healthy. And think about it, it just saved you a ton of money on a repair call you didn't need. So from now on, when you see PF, don't think fault, think feature.
It's not a bug, it's a smart communication tool. Your washer is just talking to you, letting you know why your laundry isn't finished. All you have to do is press a button, restart your load, and maybe give it a little thank you for being smart enough to keep you in the loop. It's a feature, not a fault. And that's a much better way to look at it, right?